Welcome to Cybermatics. In this video, we are going to explain about determinant of matrices. A matrix is nothing but a rectangular array or table of numbers arranged in rows and columns. A row is nothing but a horizontal one and a column is nothing but a vertical one. Here, this is the first row and this is the second row. And column is the vertical line. So here is the first column and this one will be the second column. Here is the general formula for determinants. Here a determinant is nothing but the sum of multiplications of the element and its cofactor matrix. Okay, so here we are taking the first row entries. So A11 into the cofactor matrix of A11. So the cofactor of A11 is nothing but the matrix obtained by eliminating the row and column of A11. Okay, so the remaining matrix is the cofactor matrix of A11. Likewise, for each element we are finding its cofactor matrix and multiplying it with the element. Okay, and the signs will be alternatively given as plus and minus, starting plus with the first entry. Okay, so here for example, for the first row entry, A11 is positive sign and A12 is negative sign. Alternatively, we will give the sign, and for the second row, the first element, the sign will be minus. Okay, so likewise we will put alternatively plus and minus, we will give the sign. Okay, so next step we will find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Here is the 2 by 2 matrix and its determinant will be the element 1 into its cofactor value 4 and second element 2, its sign is minus, so 2 into its cofactor value 3. So here our matrix is a 2 by 2 matrix, so lower dimension, so the cofactor will be a single element. Okay, so if the dimension of the matrix increases, the cofactor will become the matrix of the corresponding size. So here the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix is minus 2. So next one, here is a 3 by 3 matrix. So here our general formula is given. So first element we are taking, so 1 into its cofactor matrix, and second element minus 3 into its cofactor matrix, plus third element is plus sign, so plus 2 into its cofactor matrix. So here is our value. So first we have to find the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix and then we have to multiply it with the element. Okay, so we will get 15. Minus 15 is the determinant of this 3 by 3 matrix. So here is a 4 by 4 matrix. So general formula is given. So here to find our determinant of our 4 by 4 matrix, we have to first find determinants of some 3 by 3 matrices, and then we have to substitute that value in the general equation and we will get the determinant of 4 by 4 matrix. So here the first element is 1, so 1 into its cofactor matrix, and second sign is minus and the element is 3, so minus 3 into its cofactor matrix, and the third element is 1, so plus 1 into its cofactor matrix, and the last element is 4, so its sign is minus. Okay, so minus 4 into its cofactor matrix. So first we have to find the determinants of these 4 3 by 3 matrices. Then we have to substitute that values in this determinant equation. Okay, so we will get minus 1 the value of first cofactor matrix, and 3 for the second determinant, and 6 for the third matrix, and 0 for the fourth matrix. So we have already given the procedure to find determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Using that procedure, we first find the determinants of these 4 matrices and then we are substituting that value here. So finally we will get the determinant of our 4 by 4 matrix, which is nothing but minus 4. Okay.